In today's video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to downgrade your Go High level account. Whether you're scaling back your operations or simply looking to save on costs, this guide will take you through the process in just a few short minutes, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Go High Level website. Simply type Go High Level into the search bar and select the official website from the search results. Once there, you'll be prompted to log in with your account credentials. Make sure you have those handy and enter your username and password to gain access to your account dashboard. Upon logging in, direct your attention to your workflows within the Go High Level dashboard. You'll want to make sure you are working in the agency view rather than a sub-account to access all the necessary settings. Being in agency view is crucial as it provides you with full administrative capabilities to manage your subscription effectively. Now that you're set up in the right view, locate the Settings option. This is typically found along the sidebar or the top menu, depending on your dashboard configuration. Go ahead and click on Settings to access an array of options that pertain to your account's preferences and functionalities. Within this settings area, you'll find a section labeled Billing. Click on Billing, and this will reveal all details related to your current subscription, including payment methods, billing cycles, and more. This is your go-to spot for managing your subscription preferences. In the Billing section, explore your options until you find something akin to Modify, Cancel your subscription. This might be phrased slightly differently depending on updates or regional versions, but it will serve the same function. Click on this option to dive deeper into your subscription settings. Next, you'll likely encounter a pop-up or a new page featuring various subscription-related options. Look specifically for the Downgrade choice. It might not be immediately apparent, but it should be easy to find in a section dedicated to subscription alterations. Once you click on Downgrade, a list of available plans will be displayed. Browse through these to identify a lower-tier plan that best suits your current needs. Select your preferred plan by clicking on it. This step ensures you're fully aware of the options and can compare them before making a final decision. After selecting the desired plan, it's vital to thoroughly review all the details associated with the downgrade. Pay attention to how the change will impact your account, the features available, and any price adjustments that come with the new plan. Once you're satisfied with the details, confirm your downgrade decision. Take a moment to ensure everything aligns with your expectations, and once ready, proceed to finalize the downgrade. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated the process of downgrading your Go High Level account, aligning it more closely with your current needs and budget. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.